of Sonipat Ardent, in association with Interact Club of JD Memorial Senior Secondary School, has organized a baby show. Baby show is something which is basically meant for the toddlers. It is meant for those babies who are falling in the age group of 2 to 6. We have divided this program in two brackets. One for the age group between 2 to 4 and the other is for the 4 to 6. And this program has been organized in the school premises, and we have got as many as around 40 registrations from the people living in the vicinity and from some Rotary members also. They have brought their lovely children to this beautiful function, and this function is all about children. And basically it is called baby show. I will not call it a baby show. It is a show of baby, but it is a test of parents, because everything that baby does, it depends on the parents, how well the parents groom their children, and how much the children are active, how does a child behave, his behavior, his hygiene, his vaccination, his response, how quickly he responds to the questions. Everything depends on the grooming that is done by the parents. So basically I would say it is a test of the parents. Maybe it is a baby show, and today we have got, we are amongst the 50 babies. They all are looking beautiful. They are shining star, and I can say there is no moment better than to be amongst the babies, especially of the age group of 2 to 6. So we had a very good day. Children played a lot of games. They enjoyed it, and we also enjoyed with them. So all the babies are equal. No one is less or no one is higher. They all are equal. Maybe it is because of show that we are deciding one baby number 1, baby number 2, baby number 3. Otherwise, all I can say is it's been a great day, great show. We had a good fun. Even the toddlers had a great time. So I should go to the society. Screen timing of the children is rising, because it is a fault of parents also. We want to keep the child quiet. In order to keep him quiet, we give him a telephone and this cell phone so that he gets busy, and we also feel comfortable when baby is sitting quiet and he's not making noise and he's not disturbing you. For our own comfort, initially we give baby our mobile phone, and after some time what happens, the baby becomes used to of these gadgets. Once the baby becomes used to of these gadgets, and he gets a strain on the eyes and the brain, then we feel that we have done something wrong. Then the things are most of the time out of our hand. So it depends on the parents. The parents should sacrifice on their part. Only then babies can be better. I tell you, just this century is just it's a number. It is not more than that. Every meeting is important for this club. This club will continue doing its work. We do not believe in the number game. It is all by chance that this is the 100th meeting for us. It was just like any other meeting. We are engaged in the service above selves. We are providing services to the mankind, to the society, to the poor and downtrodden, to the impoverished people. And we will keep continuing doing all our services. We will not see whether it is 100 or 101. All meetings are equal. We have a time for us. We will continue doing the services in this year and in the coming year also. Our speed will not stop or will not come down. Our tempo has been maintained, and this tempo will continue at its pace. Rest is in the hand of God. If God be willing, everything will work in favor of Rotary Ardent.
बेबी शो इन्होंने कंडक्ट किया था, जिन पे इनके स्कूल के बच्चों ने मतलब 1 to 3 का एक था 4 to 7 का बच्चों का। तो हमने आई वॉज इन द मेडिकल टीम, तो हमने बच्चों का मेडिकल वे में कैसे उनकी 3 हेल्थ, उनके हाइजीन कैसे, उनका वैक्सीनेशन कितना हो रखा है। तो मोस्टली बच्चों का तो वैक्सीनेशन हो रखा था, हेल्थ भी ठीक थी, बट जिनका नहीं था उनको बताया है कि सिविल हॉस्पिटल में आकर उनको कराना है, और हाइजीन पे भी उनको बताया है पेरेंट्स को कि क्या क्या होना चाहिए। बस ये था। बच्चे मोस्टली एनीमिक थे तो उनको बताया कि आके आयरन की सप्लीमेंट्स लो, डॉक्टर को दिखाओ, और जो भी उनकी प्रॉब्लम थी उनको सॉल्व किया था। देखो टेक्नोलॉजी है, कुछ नई चीज़ है, उसमें तो बच्चे लगेंगे ही। बच्चे क्या, बड़े ही लगे रहते हैं आजकल तो मोबाइल में। बट एज अ पेरेंट हमें सोचना चाहिए कि जितना बच्चों को बच्चे हमें इमिटेट करते हैं, हम मोबाइल में लगे रहेंगे तो बच्चे भी मोबाइल में लगे रहेंगे। हम उनको रीडिंग की हैबिट और बच्चों के साथ खेलें तो बच्चे भी खेलेंगे। इससे मुझे लगता है हम पेरेंट्स ही कोई इनिशिएटिव ले सकते हैं उनको बाहर ले जाने के लिए।
हमारे जेडी मेमोरियल सीनियर सेकेंडरी स्कूल में एक बेबी शो का आयोजन किया गया। इसमें जो है मेडिकल मेंबर्स डॉक्टर श्रुति भारद्वाज और डॉक्टर रविशंकर विशेष रूप से मौजूद थे। इन्होंने बच्चों का हेल्थ चेकअप किया और फ्यूचर में एक अच्छे हेल्थ के लिए टिप्स भी दिए। देखो, एक सर्वे भी बताता है कि ज़्यादा मोबाइल यूज़ करना आँखों के लिए हानिकारक है। इस मॉडर्न टाइम में पेरेंट्स को भी इस चीज़ को लेकर अवेयर होना होगा और अपने बच्चों के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल भी होना पड़ेगा कि बच्चों को मोबाइल से दूर रखें। आज का टाइम कंपटीशन का टाइम है, लेकिन उससे कहीं ज़्यादा हमारे लिए बच्चों की हेल्थ ज़रूरी है। अगर इनकी आंखें अभी बचपन में ही कमज़ोर हो जाएंगी तो पूरी लाइफ में सर्वाइव करना मुश्किल होगा। तो हमें बच्चों को मोबाइल से दूर रखना चाहिए। जितना ज़्यादा हो सकता है बच्चों को एक्टिविटी बेस्ड और जो है बच्चों को टूरिज़्म के माध्यम से, बच्चों को जो है गेम्स के माध्यम से, प्लेवे मेथड्स के माध्यम से, इन चीज़ों को लेकर पेरेंट्स को बच्चों को प्रोत्साहित करना चाहिए। और सेम मैसेज आई वुड लाइक टू कन्वे टू ऑल द टीचर्स दैट प्लीज़ engage yourself with students everywhere in the school premises. We have to provide a moral support to the children by which they will be able to learn much better.